Welcome to Aram Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to easily cite a source using Google Docs. First, open your Google document. In the menu at the top, go to Tools and then click on Citations. Now, choose your citation format, whether it's MLA, APA or Chicago author date. Next, click the Add Citation Source button. You'll see a drop-down labeled Source Type. Click this to choose the type of source you're citing, such as a book, website, journal article, newspaper article, film, TV series, TV episode, or miscellaneous item. Then choose how you accessed the source using the Accessed By drop-down. In this example, we'll be citing an article from the Los Angeles Times. Let's select Website as the source type, then specify that we accessed it through their website. Paste in the website link and click Search. The citation tool will automatically fill in the source information. Click Continue. Verify that the information is correct. Then click Add Citation Source. Repeat these steps if you want to add more citations. To add in-text citations, click the Cite button next to each citation. You can also insert your works cited or references at the end of your document by clicking the Insert Works Cited button. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily cite sources and manage references in Google Docs.